What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video we are again talking about Dropbox. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unshare folder or file. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, let's start. So if you want to unshare a folder or a file, it is quite an easy process. So what you want to do is select the file you are sharing. Then after you selected it, go to basically, you can double click it to view it or whatsoever, but you want to go to share. So after going to share, there is quite an easy process how to unshare it. So go to this gear wheel over here, which is a settings icon. After it, as you can see, there are some of the options over here, but you can easily unshare it navigating to the lower left corner of this new window and press unshare. So unshare Dropbox, everyone will be removed from this folder. You'll still keep a copy of this folder in your Dropbox. Let removed members keep a copy of this shared folder. You can tick it or untick it. So quite an easy process. So let's go through it again. So select a file you are sharing and then go to share. Then after it, go to the gear wheel and press it and navigate to the lower left corner and press unshare. Also, you can select to remove members. That removed members keep a copy of this shared folder. So guys, quite an easy process, and hopefully this helped you a bit. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell on, because we are doing daily tutorials and you never know when you're gonna need a little bit of help. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.